Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video where I'm teaching you guys what is Google Webmasters, also known as Google Search Console. So in this tutorial, I'll show you what Google Webmaster does and what it is used for and how to connect Google Webmaster to your website. So let's first learn about it. In Google Webmaster, we know how many clicks we are getting from Google searches and what are the keywords where we are getting traffic from, what is the number of impressions, what is the position, and countries where we are getting traffic from, pages, top pages where we are getting traffic. And this is only for Google search. So it doesn't record any other traffic. For example, if someone search your website through Yahoo search engine, it will not display in your reports here. It will only display the traffic which is coming through Google searches or Google images and all services related to Google. Other than Google, if it's coming from Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, or any other search engine, it will not show up in the reports. So that's the main function of Google Search Console. It also helps us to index your pages. For example, you have newly launched your website and you want to index your website. So you will connect Google Webmaster with your website and submit sitemap to tell Google that you have launched your website and these are the pages, so Google can start indexing your website. So let's start connecting a website with Google Search Console. This is a website which I created for my client recently, and it's a fresh website and it's not connected with Google Webmaster. So let's start with connecting this website to Google Webmaster. Click on, once you log in, you don't need to sign up for this. You just need to have a Gmail account or any Google account, and you'll just go to Google Webmaster and click on Search Console. And next you will see the screen, which is this. That's the screen which you will see. So I've already logged in and moved to the property here, which is my website. These are the different websites which is also connected to this account. So what I'm gonna do, I'll connect this website to the Google Search Console here. Click on Add Property here. Choose URL prefix method. Copy the URL. Paste it here. Click Continue. And now it's telling you the recommended method. We will choose, you can also verify it by uploading the HTML file, Google Analytics. These are the other different methods. What we will do today is HTML tag. So click on HTML tag, copy the meta tag here, copy to clipboard. Now we will go to Yoast SEO plugin, which we already installed in the website. Click on General, and then click on Webmaster Tools here. Here you can see the verification code. So I'm gonna paste the meta tag which we copy and click Save Changes. Going back to the Webmaster tool, click on Verify here. And there we go. Our ownership is verified. Now we'll go to Property. So it's not showing anything right now because it's, as I said, it's a fresh website. It's not receiving any clicks at the moment, or Google is also processing data. So it will take a few days to show up all the keywords and all the searches which the website is getting impression for. Next most important step is to submit the sitemap. And here we can submit the sitemap. So sitemap of our website is located here. It could be different for your website depending on which plugin you're using. But in case of Yoast SEO, that's the main URL for the sitemap. So we'll just copy the URL or just Paste it here, hit submit. Here we go. Our sitemap has been submitted. It shows the status success. It already have discovered 10 URLs. It will index all these 10 URLs to the Google. So that's pretty much it for the tutorial. Let me know if you have any confusion or you need anything help with the web development, web designing, or WordPress. Feel free to comment on the video so I can be aware that what help you're looking to get. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.